to give y'all some encouragement today. Tomorrow is the second month on the Hebrew calendar year and is called the month of Iyar. It is the month where the Israelites went from Passover in Nisan and they were released from the bondages of Egypt, and they traveled over, crossed the Red Sea, and went into the desert. And God has given you some new assignments that need to be taken care of. But just like the Israelites, you've crossed over into a desert time. What does this mean for you? This means that you've got to get your focus right. You got to fix your eyes on Jesus, but you also have to learn to abide in Him. John chapter 15 says that when we abide in the Lord, He bears fruit through us, and then He is glorified. In order for our joy to be made complete, we have to abide in Him. That means getting your spiritual eyes focused on the Lord. That means keeping a perspective of where you get your food and water. Your sustenance in the desert is by focusing on Him, by causing the joy of the Lord to raise up on the inside of you, by praying and praising and declaring and decreeing and causing the water of the Holy Spirit to begin to flow through so that you can abide in Him, and then He will bear fruit for the environment that you're in. And so I just want to encourage you that keep pressing, because God is doing a great thing, but keep your eyes on Him and abide in Him, spirit to spirit, and then you'll feel the joy. And when you feel the joy of the Lord bubble up on the inside of you, you'll be able to carry through with the assignment that He's given you, and you'll be able to do it with joy, because He says that in John 15:11. And so God's got great things planned for you this month. Do not back down. Keep on pressing, but press for the focus in Him so that He can be glorified.